Hi, I'm Lou and I have this old smokehouse attached to my garage, and today I'm going to put my smoker inside the smokehouse. If you look closely, you can actually see the smoke vent right here. Here we are inside the smokehouse, and you can see the old meat hooks up here on this board. There's the vent, and here's my grills. I salvaged the downdraft blower out of this old cooktop that I had ruined a few years ago by putting aluminum foil on that burner. And I just picked up this diffuser plate at the hardware store. I'll drill mounting holes in my diffuser plate. I'll put high temp silicone sealer around the back side of the plate. Put that over my vent hole. Drill in the wall with a concrete bit. And screw it down with a Tapcon. I'm trying to figure out the wiring, and I've got black to black and white to white. Hopefully this works. Yep. My power cord comes in on this side. My fan wire goes out on that side. I have my whites connected together here. My greens connected together on this grounding lug. Blacks go through the switch. And the blue and the red are for slower fan speeds, which I don't need. And then I'll button the whole thing up with a switch plate. Now I'll take this black adapter box off the back of the fan because it's no longer on a stove, and that just comes off with 4 nuts right in there. I'll use an angle grinder to cut this barrel in half for a range hood. There's the half we're not using, and there's our range hood with the blower sitting on top of it. I made a cardboard pattern from the blower, and we'll use that for holes in the hood. There's the hole. So I'm bolting a flat blower onto a round barrel, and you can see the bolts in the back fit just fine, but these are up in the air. I put a rod coupler on it like this. I'll pull that down and I'll run a bolt through from the underside. There it is from the underside. There it is on top. We've got this gap right here I need to close up. Here's the piece I've cut. And then I've got these metal tabs that I'm going to bend down and screw to this wall. Hole sealed. I've got the hood sitting on top of a ladder here, and we're going to anchor it with chains going from here all the way up to the rafters. In the back, the vent hole and the blower hole do not quite line up, so we're going to use 2 elbows like this to connect them. There are the elbows. There's our hood all installed, and the grills are back in place. And there's the air coming to the vent hole outside. I just started my pellet smoker, and it's producing a ton of smoke, and it's all going right out the vent hood. I'll set this cardboard box on fire to see if I can produce some more smoke. There's a ton of fire and a ton of smoke, and it's all going right out that hood. When these Webers really get going, sometimes smoke will come out from under the lid. I'm going to switch to the Kamado Joe, which has a sealed lid, and also the chimney is quite a bit higher and closer to my vent hood. Thanks for watching.